Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what the game actually needs, the hard resources, and a plan. First, prioritize hardwood and battery packs. These are non-negotiable. You'll use them directly on the bus stop repair. Once done, make sure you've advanced past the town introductory tasks so the bus repair option appears. You'll also want enough gold to pay any repair fee or contractor cost. Prepare tools and inventory. Then travel to the bus stop and initiate the repair prompt to start the reconstruction sequence. You hand over the materials and confirm the repair contract. That's the core action that triggers progress. Once you've delivered hardwood, battery packs, and paid the fee, the game moves into a construction phase. Days will pass while the bus is rebuilt. Make sure to keep visiting the bus stop each morning. You'll see visual changes and dialogue that indicate progress. If a quest or bundle was required, verify it's complete. Otherwise, the contractor won't start. So double-check your community center or Joja status before waiting. You'll know the job is done when the bus stop is active and the desert route opens. Go ahead and board to confirm access. If the bus remains unavailable, first make sure every required item or community center bundle was completed. Missing a single bundle stops the unlock. If everything's done and it still fails, reload the day or your save and disable mods that might block cutscenes. That usually resolves stuck repairs. Otherwise, rebuild the missing delivery and retry the contractor dialogue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.